It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. I am back. Oh my gosh. A haul, hoodies, and a haircut. I got the three H's to talk about. I went to Bath and Body Works today and I got a candle haul, but I need to do an online order because I want to get those glass top candles to review for you guys. We now have hoodies for Candle Day and Queen of the Girl Geeks and all the cool stuff that we're designing on our new merch shop on Leo that Lenny and I are collaborating on. So head over there. If you use the code Halloween until midnight tonight, you get 25% off. But I'm so excited. The hoodie for Candle Day in black looks really hot. I got to get myself one of those to wear on the channel. Thank you so much to everyone who has been ordering. Don't forget to send me a picture if you're at Instagram because I want to share these photos. I'm so excited. So we got that going on, and check it out. I cut my hair. It's funny. I love my hair long. I really do. The problem is my hair's thick and it gets heavy and it's hard to dry in the evening because it takes forever. And I'm like, you know what? I need to lighten my hair right now. So I like it because it added a little movement to it. I kind of like the new look right now, but I'll let it grow out again. But I'm kind of happy with this length right now. So haul, hoodies, and haircut. What else do you need on a Thursday? So Bath and Body Works today is doing $14.95 on the candles. The only candles I recommend getting are the more expensive ones, like the $29 ones or the $32 ones. Those are going to be your best deal. And there's a member exclusive today only on the laundry detergent. I haven't even tried the laundry detergent yet. I really need to try it out. But if they come out with like Winter Candy Apple, which I heard they're going to, I have to get that. So laundry detergent today, 2 for $30. So if you like that and you have a coupon, that's actually not a bad deal. Thank you so much to Jason who gave me a 20% off coupon. I'm actually going to use that coupon tonight to buy my glass top candles. So I'm so excited about that. So I'm going to dig into my haul here. I was like, I got to get into the store today because you know what I got. You're pretty sure. I got Feliz Navidad. I'm so excited. This is one of the $32 candles. It's spicy chocolate. I cannot wait to review this one. I like the packaging. The lid is so pretty. I can't wait to burn this one. So I got to get on that one. So I got that one. I got the Happy Hanukkah. This is so beautiful. This one kind of smells like wild berry jam donut. We're going to do a comparison. Pillowy fried donut, sweet jelly filling, sprinkled with powdered sugar. It smells amazing. So if you love the bakery, I highly recommend getting that one. And then the final one I got is the spiced gingerbread. I did get the spiced gingerbread. I know this one wasn't one of the expensive ones, but I get a spiced gingerbread every year. I have to have my spiced gingerbread. Vanilla icing, cinnamon sugar, fresh ground nutmeg. Smells amazing. I actually probably should have got 'Tis the Season in the $32 one, but I don't know, the spiced gingerbread one was just like calling my name. I'm like, I grabbed that one. And then because I had the 20% off coupon, which by the way, let me do the math, because there's no code today, so you can use a coupon. So if you have a 20% off coupon and you do $14.95 minus 20%, you're going to come out at $11.96. Now for these, I did use, in my app, there was a 10 off 30 coupon, which I did use today. So I feel like I got a good deal on these candles because I got, let me do the math. I got $14.95 times 3, which is 44 minus 10. Did I do the math wrong? $14.95 times 3. Oh gosh, that's actually a good deal. Times 3 minus 10 divided by 3. Okay, $11.61. I feel good now. I got these candles for $11.61 each. I'm like, yay! I got a good deal on those. I hadn't done the math earlier. So these are a really good deal, like I said, because these are definitely pricey. What's the this one's only $26, actually. This is not in the pricier price range, these are the pricey ones. The Feliz Navidad, the 'Tis the Season. I think I might get spiced apple toddy today too. Vanilla birch. I'm really liking these jars. I'm like, were those on the other day? Because I don't think they were. So definitely kind of look through the Christmas candles. There's a lot on there, 117 candles to be exact. And the question is, do you buy now or wait for Candle Day? Honestly, I think you're better off getting, especially if you have a coupon. If you don't have a coupon, then it's questionable. I don't know. But if you have a 20% off coupon and you really want all of these expensive candles, I would get them today. Don't wait. Because who knows if they're going to be around for Candle Day. I don't know if there's going to be a run on these, especially with the sale going on, because that is a really good deal. So additionally, if you get the laundry detergent and you have the 20% off coupon, let's see, 30 minus 20%, you're going to pay basically $12 each for those laundry detergents and the boosters, which if you like it and you're using it a lot, that is actually a really good deal too. So Christmas is in full swing. Oh my gosh, I'm going to do winter Twisted Peppermint. I'm going to review tonight for you guys because I have all 4 in the set right now. So we're going to do a body care Twisted Peppermint review. And then I got more. I got so much stuff. I'll see you guys soon. Let me know if you're shopping today. Bye-bye.